Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just unboxed the Pitboss Sierra Griddle with the lift-off top. This is an exclusive item at Walmart. We're going to go ahead and assemble it. Alright, here are the assembly instructions. I'm going to go through it piece by piece. So inside is where all the parts are. Take this box out and start getting all our tools together. Tools required will be a Phillips screwdriver and a basic wrench. Okay, so one reason why I like to lay everything out is here on the instructions you'll see that it's labeled 19 and 20 on the legs, as it is here. But on the actual parts, there's no numbers to label. Again, that's why I think for me it makes it easier just to lay it all out. You know where the parts go. All right, as stated in the book, we've already put the bolts in. Both parts. Next will be these wheels, the bottom of these legs. So the next part is to attach the legs onto the bottom shelf. It says we need 4 of the A's, 4 of the C's, and 4 of the D's. Okay, so if you're assembling this alone, this can possibly be the most challenging part, whereas extra hands would be helpful. Okay, so as I go around to the other side, I'd recommend locking these wheels. That way it doesn't roll on you. Okay, so locking those wheels on the other side really did help a lot, so it's not rolling. Want to make sure that these threads go in straight as possible. Another part that's very important to this assembly is you need to make sure that these three drill holes are on this side, because if not, the propane tank holder will not be able to be installed. You'll have to turn it around. Okay, so next up we're going to be attaching these side panels. We're going to need 16 of those screws. Alright, so side panels are now attached, which I only hand tighten each screw first, and then I tighten them up with a screwdriver. Next up, attaching these side guardrails. Okay, so this next part, it's very important that this longer piece is on this side, not here, because where it's currently, it does not reach across to insert there, so I'm gonna have to flip this other end over here. Very important. Okay, so now it reaches, and I just right now just finger tighten until I get all in place, and then I'll tighten them with the screwdriver. So attach the shelf bracket with the screws, and then attach the shelf. It'll be the same on both sides, and insert the griddle, and there you have it. The Pitboss griddle, exclusively from Walmart.